What's up, guys? We're down here at Psar Kralanh. She's telling me to go. That's great. Well, we have some durian here. All your sauces, salsa, sugar, things like that. I've been here a few times, but I don't think I've ever been inside this section. The thing about the markets here is that they're all very big and spread out. So you never know what you'll find around the corner. She keeps telling me to go first, and I don't know why. I have no idea where I'm going. Looks like we got some toys here. And that's about it. The rest of that booth is completely empty. Of course, the usual clothes. Got more down there. These are some narrow little pathways in here. Looks like it opens up out there though. Yeah, the intersections here, as you can see, really opens up over here. I guess we're going down this way. Of course, where the clothes are. Clothes and the bling. Looks like a lot of it might be closed. Could be the time of day, or it could just be like everything else that just closed when they couldn't afford to stay open anymore. Oh. Hey, buddy. Oh. Of course, there are going to be the animals wherever you go. Ooh, that is a lot of ramen noodles, I believe. Or no, those are potato chips and things. Little snacks. Now we are here at the food section. We found it. Got these giant pork rinds. There's my hand compared to that. Let's just show you how big these things are. They're huge. We've got some dried peppers over there, some dried mushrooms. Got something being pickled. And Live's getting some garlic. So as soon as she's done and we get outside, I will show you the rest. Alright. Just stopped here and got some vegetables. She's looking for something specific. I guess it's down here. I don't know what and I don't know where. But you can see other vendors set up here selling different things. I like when the all these markets have all these different side roads and little alleyways you can go down and find all kinds of things. Really, it truly is a one-stop market. You can get your pig parts, you can get your vegetables. Yeah, you can get rice cookers here, little burners here. Even baby strollers, look at that. You can get yourself a baby stroller. And then you can just walk across the aisle right there and get yourself some pork or chicken or whatever else you want. We even have little sausages and hot dogs over there. And of course the ever-present traffic in these markets. Motorbikes and everything else. Alright, got some music here. I don't think they're going to allow it on my channel, so talk to you guys later. Alright guys, be sure to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal, if you want to join my Patreon, or buymeacoffee.com/DDC, which you don't even have to sign up for. All those donations are going for several humanitarian things here. We educate and teach English to kids for free that can't afford to go to school. We sponsor part of a village in the countryside. We go out there a couple times a week and feed them, and also bring them bags of rice and other things so they have something to eat throughout the week. And occasionally Senglai will cook and we'll box it up, go out and pass it out to anybody that wants it. And it's only possible because of your donations. So be sure to check out those links. There's a lot of people vlogging in Cambodia. Those links are down below. Those are great channels. You should check them out. Links to all my social media are down below, as well as links to all my books, t-shirts, and everything else. It's all appreciated, and I want to say thank you to all my supporters. It really means a lot, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.